Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Allen Octavian Hamid. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? 1757. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Which Mughal empire built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Who led the Dandi March? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Goa. What is the largest desert in India? Tara Desert. Which lake is the largest freshwater lake in India? Hula Lake. What is the capital of the Indian state of Sikkim? Gangtok. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the USA? Colorado River. Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2023? D.Y. Chandrachud. Which country won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2019? England. Who is the Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2023? Antonio Guterres. Which country will host the 2024 Summer Olympics? France. In Paris. Who is the ECO of Tesla Inc. as of 2023? Elon Musk. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What is the basic unit of heredity? Gene. What does GDP stand for? Gross Domestic Product. Which organization publishes the World Economy Outlook Report? International Monetary Fund. What is the main function of the Reserve Bank of India? To regulate the issue of bank notes and keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India. Who is known as the father of economists? Adam Smith. What is the current goods and services tax rate on most goods in India? 18%. Who has won the most Grand Slam titles in tennis as of 2023? Novak Djokovic men, Margaret Court women. Which country won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? France. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh. Which Indian cricketer is known as the Master Blaster? Sachin Tendulkar. Which sport is associated with the team? Grand Slam. Tennis. Thank you for watching.